And that rear-end assembly looks like it could use some old-fashioned blowtorch work to secure it.
Yeah, it sure does.
That's what you think, Ratchet. Just keep your clamps off mine.
No more back talk, or I'll short your mouth circuit.
Why, you...
Old Ironhide's gonna pull through nicely.
Humans call it playing possum. Don't ask me what a possum is.
Sideswipe, no! Go get it. My energy! If we can't share, it's nobody's energy.
Vitals are improving. You will be back on your struts in good time.
Exactly how long is good time?
Bumblebee, we have each been witness to those among us who have risen above their station time and again. Wreckers, scouts, even field medics. The Chaos Bringer is at our doorstep. And now, more than ever before, we cannot afford to wait for salvation.
He's on the run! He's on the run! Hold fire! I cannot see. I've been injured. Medical officer Ratchet.
He's mine now.
Lockdown.
Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here. Ratchet.
Undertow, careful! I need that!